Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of negative thoughts. Stay till the end because you're going to be surprised how easy it is once you understand the whole process. My name is Anita and I was extremely negative, depressed, young woman once. Today I am almost 44, and when I was in my 20s, in my 30s, in my teenage years, even as a child, I had extremely negative thoughts. I had very, very difficult childhood. And in my earliest childhood, as long as I can remember, there was just negativity. So if you are struggling with negative thoughts, first know this. You are having negative thoughts because it's something that became part of your life, and you think that it is part of who you are because you had negative experiences, traumas, negative expectations, disappointments, frustrations, etc. So basically, you were not experiencing love and support. So I am living in Spain now, and I'm really giving my best to explain this in English. Originally, I am from Croatia. Croatia is a small country in Europe, if you don't know. It's just across the Italy in the Adriatic Sea. Well, stay till the end because I'm going to really explain how to get rid of negative thoughts and why. Why do you want to get rid of negative thoughts? That's also important to understand and know. You want to get rid of negative thoughts because they make you feel bad, and not just that. Something that makes you feel bad also deducts power from you, life energy from you, drains you. And at the end, you have low self-esteem. You're often disappointment. You can have depression and anxiety. You expect the worst. You are afraid of everything. You maybe always struggle to move forward, to make decisions. You always think people are going to judge you or think bad about you, or that you are simply not enough, etc., etc. So if you have bad thoughts, negative thoughts, they make you feel bad, they make you sick with time, and they disempower you. Your personal power is weaker, getting weaker and weaker. And remember, you are a beautiful, divine person, as well as everyone in this world, but people don't know it often. And you have your unique talents, and you have your unique wishes, desires that come from your heart. And they are not just like, oh, they are just desires. They are something that your soul is calling you forward, like accomplish the things you want because you can do it, and reprogram your ego, your wounded self, your name and surname, who you are, your persona, your personality, reprogram it to match your divinity, to match your soul. And you are going to have everything you desire, everything you want in your life. Finally, the goal is to be happy, to be relaxed, to be in the ease or at ease, in peace. So, as I said, I did it in my own personal experience with myself, and that was the hardest part. And now for like 13, 14, 15 years even, I'm doing this with my clients, with people, and on my YouTube channel as well for free. So stay till the end of this video and don't forget to share it and subscribe if you like the video. So negative thoughts. If you just now, I want you to try it. If you just now think some negative thought, because I want you to become really aware of it. Think one negative thought. And how does it make you feel? It makes you feel sad. When I think you thinking negative thought, I immediately feel sad, disempowered. So now think good thoughts. Think good thoughts now. Close your eyes and just spend 20 seconds thinking good thoughts. Like maybe you are thinking, oh my God, I don't know how to find good thoughts. because I'm so used to thinking shitty thoughts. Start with small things. Train thinking good thoughts, positive thoughts. Train positive thinking by focusing. Wait and focus. And make relevant every small thing that is positive and is surrounding you. For example, thank you, life, for this moment. Thank you, life, for this video. Thank you, life, that I could wake up this morning. Thank you, life, for the food I have. Thank you, life, for the clothes I have. Thank you, life, for one amazing person in my life. Thank you, life, for the next second. Thank you, life, for tomorrow. Thank you, life, for the sun. Thank you, life, for the clouds. Thank you, life, for my bed. Thank you, life. Like, or just remember something that you really like, that you really love. Keep thinking, keep thinking, keep thinking, keep thinking. So you can always think good thoughts. You have the power. You have the choice. The choice is in your head. And nobody can think thoughts in your head but you. So you are the only owner, the only creator in your head, in your mind. You can decide, I'm going to try to remember. And then I'm going to remember. And then, yes, I know, I can always remember because I practiced. And that's the key. Practice thinking positive thoughts. And that's the key. Avoiding negative thoughts is basically not to avoid them, but to practice thinking positive thoughts. So it's not about fighting against negative thoughts. It's not about thinking about how to avoid thinking negative thoughts. It's not about thinking how to dissolve, ruin, destroy negative thoughts. It's not about thinking about negative thoughts, because when you think about negative thoughts, you still think about them. So basically, you cannot stop thinking if you are trying to push something out and say, I don't want to think about it, I don't want to think about it. You are going to think about it. You cannot stop. When you think about something, you are thinking about something. So when you give importance, when you give focus to something, you're giving life energy to that. And that's so important to understand. That's why I said stay till the end of the video, because it's all about understanding how your mind works, understanding the process. So when you know that you cannot stop thinking what you're thinking, you can only change your thinking. Then you know that you have to practice positive aspects, positive thinking. And I'll tell you how to do it also. So when you think negative thoughts, what you can do is simply one thing. Make them less relevant, less important. Do not give them importance, because when you give importance to negative thinking, negative thoughts, then it grows and more thoughts appear, because it's like a wave that is getting momentum and it's building up, because you are building it up by giving it attention. So whatever you're giving your attention to grows. So when you think negative thoughts, then make them less important. Say something like this. You can literally say whatever you want, like think of your own saying, of your own sentence. Say, it doesn't matter. They are just my old habits. They're just my old thoughts. They're always reappearing, especially when I'm in a bad mood or when I'm stressed out or exhausted or tired. So when I'm feeling like down, of course, they are reappearing. Or when I'm exiting my comfort zone, they are coming. So it's normal, basically. But these are just my old habits. But it's completely irrelevant. It's not important. Blah, blah, blah. Who cares? I am not my thoughts. They are coming and going like birds flying through my head. I don't care. So it's not relevant. It's not important. If you say that it's not, then you say, oh, doesn't matter. That's one way to go with it. The second way If your thoughts are really strong and painful and here in this physical reality manifested in a strong way, then sit down, talk to yourself, hug yourself, talk to yourself, ask yourself, where are these thoughts coming from? What did they mean? Who gave them to me? Why I believe these thoughts? Who convinced me that these thoughts are, that this is the truth? Is this really the truth? The truth can be different. I can choose not to believe in this anymore. I can choose to empower myself and love myself more, support myself. So if the thoughts are really painful and hurting you, then you can also sit down and talk to yourself and hug yourself and practice self-love. You have so many meditations on my YouTube channel regarding that will completely heal you. Self-love, acceptance, empowerment will heal you. And then again, they are going to be superficial. Negative thoughts are going to be superficial, and you can just say they are irrelevant, blah, 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 irrelevant. And the next thing is like literally by practicing positive aspects, just turn around and think, what is the positive aspect of this? What am I learning from this challenge? What is this teaching me? How am I growing through this experience? Simply like, how can I support myself now? How can I love myself now? How can I be nurturing towards myself and grace towards myself? So how can I give something to myself? Think positive thoughts. So negative, make them irrelevant. Or if they are hyper strong, heal them. Heal them with a meditation, with a conversation with yourself. And just put your focus on another direction and practice positive thinking, positive aspects. For the end, I have to tell you how to practice positive thinking and positive aspects. Well, bit by bit, day by day, you're going to get really a master of positive aspects and positive thinking. You're going to completely forget that you were once such a, I don't know, sad or grumpy or angry person, for example. Maybe you're not, but you know what I mean, in these certain situations, right? So what can I recommend to you? Writing. Write positive aspects. Do a journal of positive aspects and things that you are grateful for, things that you appreciate about yourself, about your life, about physical things, about non-physical, emotional and mental, about the world, about the people, about situations, about what you want, about what you have, about what you have already accomplished. So basically, journal, write, because this is going to be a reminder for your brain. Then affirm. Do affirmations with energy, with a feeling, meditations. Meditate with me every Saturday. Meditate with me. First, we were doing meditations on Thursdays. Then I realized for you it's better maybe Saturday because we are in different time zones. Some people are following me from Europe, some from US, etc. So basically, meditate with me because this is going to reprogram your subconscious mind. Affirm. See the world through literally lighter, brighter glasses, because you can experience one experience. You can live one experience and you can say, this experience was fantastic, so I'm taking it for granted. Or you can say, this experience was fantastic, and I'm giving it importance. I'm celebrating my life and how life takes care of me and how I appreciate myself and how I appreciate life and how I love myself and how I am powerful and so and so. So basically, you can appreciate good things more. And when negative, bad things, unpleasant things happen, so when you have a life experience that is hurtful, you can say, I am such a weak person. I'm afraid of life, of living, because I had such a difficult experiences and I just can't move forward. I am so wounded. Dot. Or you can say, I had bad experiences, but you know what? I survived. I survived. I am a fighter in a sense of I can survive everything. I am a powerful, brave human being. I'm amazing. And not just that, I am appreciating that experience that hurt me because it makes me powerful and it makes me wise. Now I will be wiser. I'm going to listen to myself more. I am going to learn. I'm going to grow. I am going to empower myself. I am going to know how important love is, self-love is. And I am going to listen to my inner guidance. So I'm going to learn from this experience. I am learning from this experience and becoming a better person. So at the end, I am feeling victorious. I am feeling empowered. I am feeling strong. I am feeling loved because I had that difficult experience. So because you have positive and negative experience, you can feel amazing at the end when everything goes away. Even if you're going to cry one day because you had bad experience, but the next day you're going to heal, and then after falling you're going to stand up again and move forward. Or you can have positive experience and disregard them, have negative experience, oh, they are so big and you are so powerless, and that's it. So basically, life is not like this or like this. Experiences are just experiences. They are what you make it. They are what you see. They are what you tell yourself about them. So remember, negative thinking, positive thinking, negative thoughts, positive thoughts. Remember, life is what you make it. And you are the only thinker in your head. You have the power. You are the creator. You have the choice. What are you going to think? What are you going to see? What are you going to see when you look at yourself in a mirror? You're the one who can affirm, I'm an amazing person, or you're the one who can affirm, it's anyways never enough. I'm never good enough. So basically, you are the one who can tell yourself. And when it hurts you, because you believe that you're not enough, sit down. If you need to cry, cry out the pain, let it go, hug yourself, and then you will be able to move on. So meditate with me on Saturdays, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I am really the person who can make your life better and different and help you. And I'm doing it with such joy. I was really on the bottom, literally. I remember myself being just a kid on my grandma's yard thinking, is this it? Like, this is life? I don't want to live. I don't want to live. And then something woke up in me and said, no, I'm not just going to quit. I'm not going to give up now. That was a long time ago. And life now is amazing, it's beautiful, and I really want to show it to you how amazing life can be and how amazing you are. So dear ones, sending you lots of love. Remember, take away the importance from negativity if it's just superficial, and practice positive aspects. Sending you love and kisses. Bye bye.